guys, thanks so much for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to create two designer inspired either flower vases or candle holders. Depends on what you want to use it for. I'm going to use them for both. They came out absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this project. So today in this video I'm going to use an image that I seen on Google. But before I go into the project, guys, if you do not have a copier, I'm going to show you how you can copy any image that you see on the internet. And all you need is your iPad, a tablet, or your phone. And you need a white piece of paper. Just tape the paper to your either tablet or your phone. Place the paper over top of the image that you want to copy, and then you can trace it with your pencil. You can use a pencil or a pen. I like to use pencil because you can erase if you need to. This is a great way to recreate an image that you've seen on the internet if you do not have a copier. Here's the black image that I cut out earlier. And what I'm doing right here, just to show you, I'm taking a black permanent marker and I'm just going to go across the top edges of the image because I want to remove any white paper that I didn't cut away. Sometimes when you're cutting out darker images, some of the white paper still remains, so I'm just taking that marker and removing that paper. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of Mod Podge and my paintbrush, brush the Mod Podge along the opposite side of the image. Once I have it covered with the Mod Podge, I'm going to adhere it to the front center of the vase, and I'm going to allow it to dry for 10 minutes. Now that that's dry, I'm going to use this black grosgrain ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to adhere it to the base of my vase. I'm just going to wrap it all the way around. Next, I'm going to use some pearl gem wraps that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of hot glue to the first stone so that it doesn't lift. I'm just going to lay it in the shape of my image. So I'm really loving this black and white designer look. So I'm just going to wrap these pearl gems around the center of the ribbon. So right here, guys, I'm just going to apply a little bit of hot glue just to prevent the edge of the ribbon from fraying. And that's it, guys. Look how beautiful that is. Black grosgrain ribbon and pearl. It came out absolutely beautiful. Now it's time to start on the second vase. So I'm going to start to cut out the image. And so I'm just going to cut it out very neatly as I can. And again, these vases are designer inspired, guys. And so I'm using this image that I found on the internet. So right here I am using some thread cutters to cut out the center of the image. That's small enough to get in and just remove that centerpiece nice and neatly. So right here, guys, before I got started with the project, I just wanted to show you that I took my white image and I applied 2 pieces of tape to the back side of the image. I put it inside of my vase. Now we're going to get started. I'm going to use these red sparkling gems that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to lay it in the shape of my image. So here guys, I'm just removing the image that I placed inside the vase because we don't need it now. I'm just going to just gently remove it, and because I may want to use it later. And that's what that looks like. So here I'm going to apply red glitter ribbon. Guys, it's so beautiful, this ribbon, and it's going to make this vase come to life. Really nice, so pretty. And I'm just going to add some of that sparkling red gemstones in the center of the ribbon just to give it an extra touch of sparkle. And guys, that's it. So I'm just going to finish doing that, and yeah, came out absolutely beautiful. And let me know what you think about my idea of tracing an image on from your iPad or your phone. Let me know what you think about that. And I'm just going to finish this up so that you can see the finished product. All right guys, here it is. Absolutely love the way they came out. They definitely look designer inspired. They have a very classy, elegant look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Guys, I do appreciate you spending time with me this evening. Thank you so much, and I thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed, guys, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.